last video. I'm sorry guys, but my last video was very short, so this will be a good long this will probably be a good couple more minutes longer, so and alright, so let's get into this. And guys, for my intros and stuff, I won't make anything like big intros or stuff until I'm at like 20k subscribers or something like that, because I don't see the point in it until I'm quite big, when people actually realise me. So, because my Fortnite videos will be coming out shortly, and yeah. So currently today I'm doing loads of videos for you guys, so for the next few weeks you will have loads of videos like piled up of me doing stuff like this. Oh, I was going to go for that shit. What? What? Oh, damn it. So guys, I'll do 5 more of these. Yeah. Hello? Excuse me? I don't get this. Oh. So I'll do like 4 more, okay guys, because it's quite early, it's really late at my time. Hello, to this game. Okay, I'm done. Oh my god, that shows how long I haven't played this game for. So guys, I don't know when this video will come out, but I think this might come out in like a year, so just make sure you're subscribing. And hopefully from Epic I will get a supporter creator code soon.